ASMR, I believe. Their channel is called, I will link it below along with one of her fact reading videos. She did one recently on science facts that I really liked, which inspired me to do one of my own. And since I recently got this little shark tattoo, I decided why not do some facts about sharks. So I found this article called 12 Shark Facts That May Surprise You from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. It was originally published in July 17th of 2018 and was last updated April 29th, 2022. So, without further ado, let's just get started. Fact number 1. Sharks do not have bones. Sharks use their gills to filter oxygen from the water. They are a special type of fish known as elasmobranchs, which translates into a fish made of cartilage tissues, that clear, crystally stuff that your ears and nose tip are made of. This category also includes rays, sawfish, and skates. Their cartilaginous skeletons are much lighter than true bone, and their large livers are of low-density oils, both helping them to be buoyant. Even though sharks don't have bones, they can still fossilize. As most sharks age, they deposit calcium salts in their skeletal cartilage to strengthen it. The dried jaws of a shark appear and feel heavy and solid, much like a bone. These same minerals allow most shark skeletal systems to fossilize quite nicely. The teeth have enamel, so they show up in the fossil record too. I did not know that. At all. That does surprise me, because I have seen, like at aquariums, they have like the shark jaws, and it looks like parts of it looks like bone. So that's interesting that their like skeletal system is made up of cartilage tissues. Okay. Number 2. Sharks have good eyesight. Most sharks can see well in dark lidded areas, have fantastic night vision, and can see colors. The back of sharks' eyeballs have a reflective layer of tissues called the tapetum. This helps sharks see extremely well with like rings on a tree, and then scientists assign an age to the shark based on the count. Thus, if the vertebrae have 10 band pairs, it is assumed to be 10 years old. Recent studies, however, have shown that this assumption is not always correct. Researchers must therefore study each species and size class to determine how often the band pairs are deposited, because it is the depositation rate that may change over time. Determining the actual rate that the bands are deposited is called validation. Number 8. Blue sharks are really blue. The blue shark displays a brilliant blue color on the upper portion of its body and is normally snowy white beneath. The mako and boar beagle sharks are also shown to exhibit a blue coloration, but it is not nearly as brilliant as that of a blue shark. In life, most sharks are brown, olive, or grayish. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen an olive colored shark. Okay. Fact number 9. Each whale shark's spot pattern is unique as a fingerprint. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Whale sharks are the biggest fish in the ocean. They can grow to 12.2 meters and weigh as much as 40 tons by some estimates. Basking sharks are the world's second largest fish, growing as long as 32 feet and weighing more than 5 tons. I find that so cool that the whale shark spots are as unique as the fingerprints. I think that's so cool that, like, no two whale sharks will look exactly the same. I don't know why, I just think that's cool. Okay. Fact number 10. Some species of sharks have a spiracle that allows them to pull water into their respiratory system while at rest. Most sharks have to keep swimming to pump water into their gills. A shark's spiracle is located just behind the eyes, which supplies oxygen directly into the shark's eyes and brain. Bottom-dwelling sharks, like angel sharks and nurse sharks, use this extra respiratory organ to breathe while at rest on the seafloor. It is also used for respiration when the shark's mouth is used for eating. Well, that would make sense. Like how humans, when we eat, you can still breathe through your nose. Yeah, I always thought that sharks always needed to keep moving, like just keep swimming. Okay. Fact number 11. Not all sharks have the same teeth. Mako sharks have very pointed teeth, while white sharks have triangular serrated teeth. Each leave a unique telltale mark on their prey. A sandbar shark will have around 35,000 teeth over the course of its lifetime. That's crazy. I knew they had like several rows of teeth, but 35,000 teeth is crazy. Oh my god. that's also interesting to me that, like, they can tell by the bite mark what kind of shark it was based on the tooth type. I don't know, that's just kind of cool. Okay, and finally, fact number 12. Different shark species reproduce in different ways. Sharks exhibit a great diversity in their reproductive models. There are oviparous, egg-laying species, and viviparous, live-bearing species. Oviparous species lay eggs that develop and hatch outside the mother's body with no parental care after the eggs are laid. That's interesting. I always thought that they were just the first one, like